Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import data from your Dropbox account to the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Whether it's photos or files, the process is simple once you connect the two cloud services. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. Tap on Import Cloud Photos and Files. Now, check if Dropbox is already connected to your OneDrive account. If Dropbox is not connected, refer to the video in the description titled How to Connect Dropbox to OneDrive. Once connected, tap the three dots next to the Dropbox label. Then choose Import New or Upload Files. Finally, tap Import Now. The import process will begin immediately. When finished, go back to the My Files section in OneDrive. You will find all the files and folders you just imported from Dropbox. That's it. You've successfully imported your Dropbox files into OneDrive on Android. For more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out the other helpful videos.